Oh. Wow, look at his wings. You can really see how he chews them up.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, very clever.
I'm running out of water.
Oh, yeah.
I'm running out of water.
Oh, I think he's probably drenched enough.
I know. I'll get under here.
Get his butt. Okay, I think he's maybe done.
Say hi for the camera.
Oh, he's so cute. He's a cute boy.
He got his bath. He got his bath. He wants more. He wants more. Look at that. He's so cute.
Give him kisses. Give him kisses.
Oh, you won't. Oh, look at the little boy. Look at the poor big boy taking a bath. I gotta go fill up water.
I think he's probably good. He's totally drenched. Claire, you're so pretty. You're such a pretty boy.